welcome to my channel. So today we're going to upcycle this pot from Goodwill into this cute Disney themed Thumper pot. Okay, so I started with this pot from Goodwill, and then my original plan was just to paint it with this hack using paint and baking soda, so I had that. And then I also ended up getting some Sculpey finishing spray, more paint, and some moss. First, I'm just giving him a quick wash just to get off any dust or anything that was left from the thrift store. And then I'm just going to mix up my paint and baking soda. There wasn't a specific ratio, I just kind of went with what I felt. And then I just painted that mixture onto the pot, and it kind of gives it like a textured feel, which is what I wanted. And then I changed my mind, so I ended up having to put the clay on top of that, which you will see right here. I only recorded a little bit of this process because it took me forever. I've never really done this before, so yeah, it was a process for sure.
2,000 years later.
Okay, do not judge him right now, because he will be cute once he's all sanded down and all the same color. But I gave him some he is a little bit scary, maybe. Okay, I decided I wanted to do Thumper from Bambi, so I gave him some more cartoony eyes and filled in his cheeks a little bit because Thumper's got big fluffy cheeks, and accentuated his nose a little bit more just to like overall make him a little bit more cartoony. I'm hoping, I tried to smooth it as much as I could with my hand, or with my fingers. Tried to smooth it as much as I could with my fingers and water, but I also don't have any like professional clay tools, nor am I like a professional clay artist, so he's not perfect, but like I feel like once he's sanded down and like all painted and all the same color, he'll be cute. Alright, so this is after I just went in with that same paint and baking soda mixture. He looks a lot more cohesive now. Tell me he's not looking like really cute. And I really like the texture of it. My daughter thinks she has to growl. But yeah, so the last thing really are the eyeballs, and I'm gonna finish the pot. Okay, so he is pretty much done. I went ahead and I finished doing the details. I mean, they're not perfect, but he's cute. It's supposed to look kind of vintagey, and I don't know, whatever. It's my first okay, so he is pretty much done. I actually was too nervous to use the paintbrush to make that thin of a line for his like eyeliner type thing, so I just used a Sharpie. I went ahead and put some moss around the pot, and now I'm gonna spray it with this. We're gonna use this matte finish Krylon spray to seal the paint in, and since we did the baking soda thing, to seal all that in. And then I think I'm gonna try to add some more moss to it too, and maybe it'll stick to this. If not, I'll just add more moss on top and then like reseal it again. Okay, so I just did something really cool and kind of scary. So this pot, I don't know if you remember or if you've seen the bottom of it anyway, but it did not have a hole in it before. I needed to put one in there so that whatever plants I put in there can drain. And I didn't know the best way to go about it, and I was like fully mentally prepared for this whole project to be ruined, but it worked. I just used this little screwdriver here and literally a hammer and I mean, you can see the little mark. I haven't looked on the inside yet, so let's do that. A few little pieces did come out of the inside of the pot, but I am gonna make it a little bit bigger, so let's see how that goes. Except for those little pieces that came off there on the inside, it's like super satisfying because it really is like a perfect circle. So now let's do the final reveal.
If you can't say something nice, don't say nothing at all.